join an iEARN discussion group, you'll first want to navigate from the iEARN Collaboration Center Welcome screen and Management Hub to the Collaboration Hub. And you can do so by clicking on one of your projects or courses. From there, you'll be in the Collaboration Hub. You'll see Courses, Groups, and Resources. Go ahead and click on Groups, and you'll see that you haven't joined any groups yet. Select the My Groups tab in the upper right, and you'll be able to search for school groups. So click on the School Groups tab, and you'll see a couple options that are available, like the iEARN Teachers Forum. If you click on the Teachers Forum, there's a button to join the group. And from there, you can join the Teachers Forum or other discussion groups, participate in the ongoing discussions, check out the resources that are available, and connect with other iEARN members.